Niggas holla at me when they sober on parole. I'm a felon. You think I ain't got that blower? Yeah, you right, bro. Take his head off his fucking shoulder.
Wait, I want to go to the one part. Boom! Hit the road stone with the rollie on. Hold on, real quick. Hold on.
Hey,
Hit the rollie stone with the rollie on. Who was our getaway car? Jag Portfolio.
do I announce
Do you announce what?
the guidelines?
Not yet. It's just the noties are out. They're almost out. I want to show you one other part. You know, I have a
Bro,
question.
don't play that song, bro.
What? I'm not playing
Don't play that song, bro.
I'm not gonna do it. Let me ask you a question. You made a song called "From D to the A." Now, let me ask you a question.
Let me just warn you, bro.
What?
You want the noties to go out? Don't end it early, bro.
You said the strikes don't count until the noties are
The
out.
strikes officially count, bro.
Okay, then I'll use one of my strikes now.
All right, now let me tell you. Hey, chat. Let me tell you what's going on, right? So you notice the Sus King. You feel me? The problem is though, what's crazy to me is he ain't even. You know what I'm saying? TOS. The Sus King got 3 strikes, bro. He got 3 times to say some sus shit, bro. And we sending this bitch up.
So you're gonna let me say such shit to you?
I brought somebody with me today. Hey, come on, let me real quick, Brody.
I have 3 strikes on you too, right?
No, hell no.
What?
Hey, listen, you got 3 strikes. He got 3 strikes in the out, bro.
3 strikes
No.
in the out.
Wait, 3 strikes on you too.
3
No,
strikes.
that's 6 strikes, bro. Hell
This
no.
baseball, bro.
What?
3 strikes and you out, bro.
Dude, what
So
the
you get 3 strikes all together. We a package deal, bro.
Real talk, bro.
So hey, chat, check this out, chat. I got my guy with me today, man. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, bro, he got 3 and then he out of here, bro. And where he go, who knows?
Who knows what's gonna happen? We gonna send this motherfucker up, bro.
Okay. If somebody else says something sus, it doesn't count as a strike though, correct? That's fair.
It depends on how much you got to do with it.
Okay, but if I call somebody and they act sus, it's not my fault, correct?
You an accessory.
Definitely.
You an accessory to being sus.
Definitely go to jail.
Okay, but I go to jail for that?
You an accessory to being under suspicion, bro.
Yeah, but it doesn't count as an actual strike unless I'm approved guilty, correct? And we have the chat vote if I'm guilty or not guilty, correct?
No. If you call,
What?
Listen. If you watch First 48, the person that called is the main suspect, bro.
Okay, well.
You gonna be more guilty than the person who did it. That's an automatic 2 strikes because it wouldn't have happened if you caught. That's 2 strikes because you did.
Okay, well, the noties are not out yet, so can I just play one more thing?
No.
It's not sus. It's
No.
it's your actual song. I just have a question. From D to the A. See, I'm gonna play the real one. Does it stand for from dick to the ass?
That's strike 1.
How? The